shit on the side of it.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Holy crap, another one. Whew. It's not that far away.
I wonder if that knocked over your antenna.
I don't care. There it is.
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, we got to get a north road again after we get out ahead of it. Wow. Look at that thing.
That is classic. Oh yeah. It's
Dude, we got a huge tornado by west of McPherson. I can't talk right now. I'm keeping both hands on the wheel. I'll call you back.
yeah. It's not moving too fast.
No.
It's kind of. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you get a picture of me real quick?
Yeah. Real quick. Okay, you're good.
Man. Oh. It is trying. It's trying so hard. No?
Oh, that's fine.
That's fine right there.
Oh, it's on the ground. See that?
Oh yeah, see the, yeah. Yep, dust whirls on the ground. Good, we're getting away from all the hordes too.
Oh yeah. I like that out here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's still on the ground.
Yeah.
Yep, yep.
Oh, a state trooper, that's why.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, there's a helicopter over here.
Is there really?
Oh yeah, it's the news helicopter.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at
Yeah.
it, there it goes.
There it goes. It's on the ground.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Look at that thing.
That's crazy.
Oh, oh, it's a classic.
Yeah.
Kansas Twister.
Oh, I know.
Yep. Wizard of Oz Twister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Streaming. Yep. Wow.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, let's get up close and personal with this guy.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Wow. Look at it. It's getting lit up by the sun here.
Yeah. We're back.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that thing.
Your head's in my shot, man.
Oh, now it's roaring back to life.
Yeah.
Hey, there's that Ford truck.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah.
storm spotter, official professional storm spotter.
It's hanging on.
Yeah.
As long as it can.
I don't think it's on the ground anymore.
Nah.
Tornado has lifted. Oh yeah, it's reforming.
Oh, yes. Wow.
Jeez.
It's awesome.
That's an awesome tornado. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like drill bit. Whoa. It
Yeah.
is.
Look at it split apart.
Yeah, it's still got rotation on the ground. It's breaking up. Yep. Wow. Incredible.